One thing that a lot of people don't realize is that fear of falling is in itself a risk factor for having future falls. Fear of falling can stop us from participating in physical activity. And then when we move less, our muscles get weaker, our balance gets worse, and our overall health can decline. Thankfully, there are lots of effective ways to reduce the fear. First thing is by joining a community program or even doing some home-based exercise routines that can help to increase your strength and your balance and improve your mobility overall. All of these things will help to decrease your risk of falling. It's never too late to start on an exercise journey. It's important to try to get at least 30 minutes every day of what we call aerobic activity. The important thing though is to choose activities that you actually like. Whether it's going for a walk or riding a bike, those things are great for your aerobic health. But when it comes to fall prevention, it really is important to start making sure that you're doing some kind of a balancing or strengthening activity. It could be Tai Chi or using light weights, or at the very least, just doing some standing exercises at the kitchen sink while you're waiting for the kettle to boil, or sitting slowly when you go to sit down on your chair. It's also important to make sure that if you have questions or concerns, you can reach out to somebody to ask them questions. You can always call 811 to speak with an exercise professional, or you can also find some community therapists or exercise specialists at your local community center. Whatever you do to help with your strength and balance can increase your mobility and your safety and decrease your risk of having a fall.